Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Notion, Obsidian, and Evernote to help you decide which tool best suits your needs. We'll dive into their core functionalities, explore their ideal use cases, and discuss their pricing structures and accessibility. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of each platform's strengths, enabling you to make an informed choice for your personal or professional workflow. Let's get started and find your perfect productivity companion. When it comes to features, Notion shines as an all-in-one workspace, allowing you to build custom systems for almost anything. Obsidian, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for interconnected thinking, letting your ideas grow organically through its unique linking capabilities. Evernote remains a champion for effortlessly capturing web pages, documents, and audio notes, ensuring you can always find what you need with its powerful search. Each tool offers distinct advantages for different workflows. Considering cost and accessibility, Notion provides a very capable free tier, perfect for individuals, with scalable paid options for larger teams. Obsidian's core application is completely free, emphasizing local control, while offering paid services for those who desire cloud synchronization or publishing. Evernote also starts with a free plan, but its premium subscriptions unlock significant benefits like much larger storage capacities and enhanced functionality across all your devices. Each platform has options to fit various budgets. So, which one should you choose? If you're looking for a versatile, all-encompassing digital workspace that can manage everything from notes to complex projects, Notion is likely your best bet. For those who prioritize building a deeply interconnected personal knowledge base with local file control, Obsidian is an excellent choice. And if your primary need is robust, reliable information capture, and easy retrieval, Evernote continues to be a strong contender. Consider your workflow and pick the tool that empowers you most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.